Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a portable power bank. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Provide you with the little manual in here. And this is it. Ooh. Very nice. I like this design. Two-tone color. Power button right on here, and this displays how much power you have left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 little dots right here. Very nice. Press and hold the power button to turn on the light. You have multiple modes. You got 3 USB ports. On the side here, you have a Type-C charging port. You also have a micro SD port. They also supply you with the cable needed right here. Alright, so our battery is at 18%. So all you have to do is plug this into a USB port. And now plug this into any device with a Type-C. And now it's charging. Take it anywhere you want to go. It's nice, sleek, and stylish. You can charge your cameras and all kinds of different devices with this. Capacity is 30,000 mAh. Overall, really nice. Take it camping, hiking, anywhere and everywhere.